Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the installers. Make sure Windows updates and disk space are sufficient. Install Visual Studio 2022 or 2023 and select the desktop development for C++ workload. Then include the Windows 10/11 SDK and MSVC v143 toolset. Once done, install C++C Make tools and optional components like NET support for build tools. This early setup ensures the compiler, SDK, and project generators match Unreal's requirements. Now integrate Visual Studio with your Unreal project. Right-click the project and choose Generate Visual Studio Project Files. This creates the SLN that maps engine modules to the IDE. Open the solution, set the configuration to Development Editor and the platform to Win64, and build the solution to compile engine modules. Make sure IntelliSense indexes fully by allowing symbol indexing, and optionally install productivity extensions like Visual Assist. These steps let you iterate code with live compile and proper debugging symbols. Finish by configuring debugging and build habits. Set the UE5 editor as the startup project, or attach the debugger to the running editor process for live debugging. Use breakpoints and ensure symbols load. Rebuild incrementally by compiling only changed modules to save time. If you hit build errors, first regenerate project files and verify SDK/MSVC paths in Visual Studio, then clear derived data cache and rebuild. As a key troubleshooting tip, reinstall the MSVC toolset and rerun Visual Studio installer if persistent toolchain mismatches occur.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.